Looking for trusted auto repair in Vancouver, Washington? Discover why drivers choose Ron's Auto and RV for reliable vehicle care and expert service. At Ron's Auto and RV, ASE-certified technicians provide everything from engine diagnostics and clutch replacement to axle repairs, electrical diagnostics, and preventative maintenance. Check engine light on? Strange noises? Their advanced diagnostic tools quickly identify problems so you can get back on the road with confidence. Routine services like tune-ups, fan belt replacement, and water pump repair help prevent costly breakdowns and keep your vehicle running smoothly. What makes Ron's Auto and RV stand out? Honest communication, transparent pricing, and warranties you can trust, including a 2-year, 24,000-mile warranty on repairs. For dependable auto repair in Vancouver, Washington, trust the team at Ron's Auto and RV. Call today at 3-605-583-150 to schedule your service and experience the difference.